Hello, Martha. Hello, Max.
Watching your video.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You got a freaking haircut.
Really short.
Something like that. I just took a shower.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, he got a new air horn, new intake, new dashboard. He's had this. Wow. Beautiful. Today's gonna be a loud, fun Miata day. If you missed last video, Martha was very loud. So, do you want me to follow you or do you? That is terrible. Max is gonna follow me so I don't get pulled over because this car is too loud. You know the address, right?
Yeah.
Do I put it in real quick?
It's not that loud, actually.
Right now, yeah.
It's loud, but it's not like loud. That's the address.
Oh, okay, sweet. Do you have my tripod?
Yeah.
Did you film a vlog? What? Come on, Max. Max shot. Doesn't the Miata look like the same size as the 350? And this side it looks a little bigger. Oh, does it? Shot. Update. So, what have we done so far, Max?
We figured out that we should just cut downpipe off. That's about it.
As Max said, we cut off the downpipe, and now we have more room to either take off the nuts, cut off the nuts.
Cause your fucking car is rusty as shit.
Hey, it's not like some other Miatas. It was by the ocean, so.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Well, update you guys soon. We beat this nut's ass. Well, it beat us for like a week.
You wanna go upstairs?
We got the nut off. We just need one more nut to go and we're done. Lunch break is over. Time to get back to work. Look what I have. It's my airbag bypass. Max being the great hero he is, got the nut off.
And get new nuts for your car. Ones that actually fit.
Nuts that fit. Out.
Put it in.
Alright, let's see if that fits. We got the O2 sensor in. See the O2 sensor. Gotta take out the sheet. And I fixed the sheet finally. It doesn't really move as much. I put one bolt here, one bolt in the back, instead of having two bolts in the front. We're gonna turn on the car open headers. Wait, not open headers, but like, kind of open down.
Open headers, no, open headers.
Shit, open headers. Sorry, there's a note here. Okay. Let's put this on. These two connectors have to plug into that. Half an hour later. Max, being the incredible guy he is, made a harness for the little airbag bypass.
Yeah.
And it works, no more fucking airbag light on. Goodbye. Hello? Where are we going?
Parts store, AutoZone, or American Home and Hardware.
Why?
To get 4 bolts for your exhaust, which is in your lap, and for your headers.
Bolts?
Nuts.
The interior of Max 350, pretty cool, very clean. We can go like this. Nice. nuts. Good.
There you go.
Hey, there you go.
Also make sure we get the right,
Where's the bag at?
Junky downpipe. Good downpipe. Look how much thicker this is than this little skinny pipe. Hard to tell, but like this downpipe is so much skinnier. All you gotta do is put it on here. You got nuts and washers. Thank you, Matt. You're really a hero. Time to finish it. That hurts. Tight, tight. Everything is super tight. I've never had an exhaust that tight before. So it's gonna sound really good. Like that, I'm so hyped. We tied the two nuts up here. It'd be three, but one of them broke. I'm giving Max the honor.
turned on.
Oh god. Oh,
Ready? No airbag light.
I love you, Max.
Ready?
Do it. That's so quiet.
Good.
The Prius. That's so quiet. One more airbag light. And horn. And Max gonna film. Oh, that was big. Damn, that's so far. Ah. Goodbye, downpipe. Goodbye, Max. Thank you very much. I love you, man.
Ready too.
Max is the man. Oh, look at my son. Take this out, the last piece of the exhaust. Martha is freaking beautiful. Hello, I'm in a hotel. I'm gonna explain it in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Press that like and subscribe. Hope you like the way my exhaust sounds. You're awesome.